This is a quick video to show off how the new middle page will work in Office 365 and also show how someone would access Universal Forms in the future in 2019. So if we click on the Nintex Forms button, that's going to load up the new middle page where it shows off the different content types associated to that list and also the designer selection. So we can see here these already have forms associated, so if I click on any of these it'll go straight to the designer. However, I can see here with the cog this one doesn't have an Nintex Forms associated. So clicking on the list, the content type, I've got 3 designers here. So this is a preview internal to Nintex. So around next week you would just see the responsive designer or classic designer. However, beta participants in the future would also see Nintex Universal Forms so they can test out the new functionality while still maintaining their existing designers as well. So clicking on the Nintex Universal Forms button opens up the new Universal Forms engine. So those that have been using Nintex Workflow Cloud would be familiar with this designer. And as you can see here, it's automatically generated a form based on the content type. So I can configure pages here, make a bunch of pages, and I can set that to horizontal and start dragging controls from page to page. Whoops. There we go. Simple sort of stuff like that. You could add a barcode scanner, geolocation control. Let's chuck one of those on there, and a signature control. We also have styles, the rule builder, variables. So I can create variables in here, so I can do str and do type ahead, convert to string, geolocation goes and finds it. So all these sort of things are variables which will be available in rules as well, and you've also got your settings through here as well. So standard sort of things. You can also set a Google Maps API in here, so I can look for let's put Paris. Done. Okay, go designer and publish and close. So now if I go on to one of the content types, which was contact that we created, and there we go. So there's my form there. So I can put a bit of a signature there. I can open up the map as defaulted Paris, Melbourne, Australia, change my location, drag the pin around, press done, puts my lat long in there, can flick through pages, pretty simple sort of stuff, press next and submit. So that's pretty much how Nintex Forms works. I hope that's helpful for people and look forward to seeing this in 2019. Cheers.